On today's episode of Watch J Ergo, we get the transmission out of the Rolls Royce, and also we get its new heart. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch J Ergo, and today I'm here with the 1979 Rolls Royce Silver Wraith 2, and we have to get the TH400 transmission out of this thing. So we just got the engine out. We've got a transmission ready to go in. Actually, there's our 4L80 ready to go in this bad boy. And now we have to get the TH400 out and hopefully receive the new heart today. I've heard it's going to be delivered today. We just need UPS to show up. I'm super excited about the engine. I can't tell you guys enough. There's so much cool stuff coming for this project, and it's gonna do some awesome burnouts. Let's get to it. I'm gonna start today off by taking this giant box right here and packing up all these Rolls Royce parts we don't need. The mock-up time here. That doesn't quite line up. Gotta do this maneuver, I think. Unless it's just because the top bolt's missing. Alan said be careful with these things and don't rip the bolts out of the block. There you go. Okay, so I'll go up and then... Yeah! And then we're just gonna palm this thing and shove it in the engine bay. So I boxed all these up to go to the Wizard. The Wizard bought the Rolls Royce engine and the transmission, and I'm giving him all the other parts that came out for $1,000. So I think he's getting a good deal. If he wants to part that out or use it for a project, he'll do great. And that gets us closer to the Rolls Royce not costing a lot of money.
Almost like a zero balance.
It was really close.
It's a $400 Rolls.
It's, yeah, with a lot of parts in it, but we had to buy something. We bought, it's a really, really, really big box of stuff, and it's coming very soon. Look what's here. The engine delivery, guys. You know what they say, what can Brown do for you? Deliver an LS6 on a pallet. Oh man, you got a lot of stuff in there today, huh? I am excited about this. I was like, I'm pretty sure you're the guy that brought the last one.
Yeah.
The Wichita freight guy. Perfect. Nailed it. Thank you, sir.
Not your problem.
So this is our LS6 power plant for the Rolls Royce here. This is a true Corvette LS6. It's the one that came out of a CTS V1 with a nitrous system. It has a nitrous outlet plate. I think that's a 78mm plate. Solenoids, it has everything. There's an ECU in here. There's a harness in here. There is everything. Huge, huge, huge thank you to J&J Auto Parts, as always, for turning this around so fast for me. I was like, I want a performance LS, and they were like, well, we have one, but it's in a car. This was in the CTSV on Monday, and now it is sitting here. Unbelievably fast shipping. They are the go-to guys for LS swaps. They have so many LSs. They had pallets and pallets of truck engines ready to go, 5.3, stuff like that. I think they had an LS5, and I was like, nah, I want the LS6. So they made this happen. They are powering this burnout machine. Seriously, thank you guys. I know you're watching. The moment you've all been waiting for, we're gonna do a little unboxing. We should probably do a little unstrapping on that thing first too. Pull out our big D-ring and our lifting system.
I'm gonna cut anything in there.
Here it is. Another absolutely amazing top to bottom complete LS swap from J&J. Oh, look, it even says J&J. I love it. J&J on the heads. We've got a pedal assembly here. This is the pedal. for the surprise that's coming. Oh, and look at this. We should show them the cool part, huh? There's speed line. I did not know there was speed line. I thought we were just winging it. So we have this 78 millimeter nitrous outlet throttle body plate. We have the Pro Mod solenoids on this bad boy. Here's an ECU. This is one of the best Christmases I've ever had.
No kidding.
As you can see, there's some very, very sketchy wiring that came out of this CTS V1. This is just how it was on the car. I got pictures of it in the car and everything. Once again, huge thank you to J&J. There's a pressure gauge. I might have more pressure gauges coming. I shouldn't even talk about that yet. Oh, those are wire cutters.
Yeah, they can wire and more.
They cut anything you need.
Cut anything.
Okay. This can get cut. It's already in there too. Look at this. We've got a position. There's a truck pan on it. There's a 4L80 on it. All that's left now is to make the real thing slide in there. I honestly just hope you guys are as excited about this power plant as I am. It's a true LS. The Corvette one, right? Because the CTS shares the engine with the Corvette. Nothing crazy here. We do need to get that flywheel and the pressure plate off there. Maybe we should save those for maybe a future manual conversion or something crazy.
For the Trailblazer?
Yep. You gonna do a stick shift Trailblazer? I've seen it done once.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. There you go. That is the sauce. That said, it's time to get back to work. I gotta get this TH400 out. So all that's left is I gotta slide the trans jack underneath, move the parking brake cable out of the way. I did get the gear actuator out. It's around here somewhere. And that means I just have 2 drive shaft bolts left, and then hopefully I can slide it forward, drop it down. Just need to get this giant brick on the ground. The TH400 is out. Look at this. There she is, chilling on the motorcycle jack there. That's awesome. I'm so excited about that. Now I just need to get it off all these blocks and get it out from under here. Pretty tricky. You kind of have to rip it off those blocks and kind of drop them on their pan because we don't have enough clearance with the car to actually get the transmission out. But you know what? It's out, and that's all that matters. Now, time to get that cover off all the braking junk and start ripping all that out, because we definitely have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to the braking system. The foam block is in. We had it mocked up with the headers. What we've determined is we're gonna flip these stock headers here and relocate all the accessories up here, and we've got lots and lots and lots of room to play. And I think everything's gonna fit. So, I think we're calling it for today. We've did a bunch of planning. So, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching Project Roll Smoke. We are progressing. We've got a power plant, we've got a transmission, we've got it mocked up in the car. So now it's basically time to start welding on the car. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjago.com, pick up some merch. The Project Roll Smoke shirt is coming. Not quite there yet. And please, like, share, subscribe. Do whatever you want to do, and I'll talk to you next time.